So you're editing your photos in Lightroom and you have photos all over it. You're trying to find one photo and you don't know where it is, then it's high time you need to organize your photos. So and this video is exactly where I'm going to show you how to organize photos in Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. First thing first, in photos, and at the 3-dot bar, let's tap in there. And there's literally your option that says organize. You know what to do now. Let's tap in there and let's tap add to. So here comes one album that I've already created before. So if you wanna create a new album, so organizing photos is like literally you can make multiple albums. For example, you can name it with different things, give titles to it, and you will exactly know where you have that photo. So we can go back to the album and find the photo right there. So let's make a new album. Let's hit that plus icon and album. Let's name this album. So let's name this lead. It's a random name. So what you have to do is tap add, and then your album has been created. So you can go back to edit, and here what you have to do is, suppose you want to add more photos, so let's tap this one, select this one over here, this one as well, and what you can do is tap this add to button that is at the very bottom, and let's tap in there, and you can choose where you want to add this photo to, either this one or the one that we had just created. Let's tap in this one and let's tap add, and there you go. Now you can organize your photos according to like wherever you want to put it, so that when you come back you know exactly where your photos are. So this is how you organize your photos in Lightroom by creating albums and stuff. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.